I always had the hardest time with infinity braids. I could never keep them tight. They were always loose and would slip out and just never looked right. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So you want to make 2 pieces from a little piece from the top. Then take 1 piece and go under the first strand, up and around the second strand, and then up and around again the first strand, around the second strand, under the second strand, and then you want to put it together. So that's 4 times. Then on the opposite side, you want to go under the first strand, around the second strand, under the second strand, over the first strand, under the second strand, and again over, and then together. And then you're going to do it again on the opposite side. The trick here is to go twice around each one. So basically we're doing it around, it's under, up and around, then back through, up and around, and then together. And this is going to help keep it from becoming loose and not together as an infinity braid. So again, you're going to go under the first strand, up and around the second strand, and then after you've done that a few times, you can just do it once around, and then the next time you take a piece, you want to go it twice around. So that way it will stay put. This is, for me, this has been the best thing to keep an infinity braid really, really tight. And you also want to make sure that when you take the pieces, you pull them all the way up to the braid itself. The little piece that you take on the side, you want to make sure it goes up to the, and around, up close to the braid itself. And that's going to help you keep it tight and create your figure 8. If it helps, as you go, you can take your fingers and push up on the braid, and that will also help. And also be sure you don't have to go all the way into the braid when you take pieces. You can take just a small piece from the outside like I'm doing here. So I'm going to speed it up just a little bit. Remember, under the first strand, over the second strand, up and around the second strand, and then together on the first strand if you're doing just 1 figure 8. And if you're doing 2 figure 8s, you want to go under the first strand, over the second strand, up and around, and then under the second strand, and then again over the first strand, and then up and around the second strand, and then together with the first strand again. I hope this makes sense. This has been the best way I've learned how to infinity braid my own hair. Trust me, it took a long, long time. Now, once you get to the nape of your neck, you're going to take pieces from the inside of your strands and do it on opposite sides. So take it from the inside piece right here. See how I'm taking it from the very inside? And then you're going to go up and around the first strand, up and around the second strand, and together with the first strand. Then take it from the opposite side, take 1 piece, go up and around the first strand, then up and around the second strand, and then together with the first strand. So that's how you're going to do it all the way down this braid as well. And once you braid it as far down as you want to, you can just add a goodie elastic. I love those like clear ones from Walmart. You can get that are the Goody brand, and then just add either hairspray or gel to keep the wispies out of your face. And this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're enjoying the braid content. I really enjoy making different kinds of braids and braid ponytails, updos. I do a lot of different hairstyles on here, but let me know if you like this video and if it made sense to you. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and you can subscribe down below. Thanks for watching.